So hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and Clay Motion. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it is, please like, share, subscribe mostly. You can also like me on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. This is kind of out of the norm of what I normally do. I usually work on cars, and remember, you can't break what's already broken, and you can't fix nothing if you don't try. So what we got is this the Craftsman Postal something or other mailbox from the Home Depot with plastic base, goes over your 4x4 on the outside. The snowplows keep coming by my house and knocking my mailbox down. I've already got the post, luckily, so I don't have to mess with none of that stuff. My post is a little bit oblong. It's not actually 4x4, but it's about the right size. So we just took and trimmed a little bit out of there for it to fit. I know I didn't do a great job, but it's freezing outside, like 4 below, and I'm using a knife and I'm freezing my butt off. So I bought this because I know this is going to be a quick, simple, easy fix. This thing was like 45 bucks. It seems to be, or 55 bucks. It seems to be fairly well constructed. Inside the kit, I've already installed the door. There's just 2 little push rivets that hold the door on. I kind of like how the door secures closed. It's kind of nice. The construction of it looks like it could take quite a bit of snow. You know, it's kind of flexible a little bit, but nothing too big or too bad about it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to slide this over your pole if you already have the pole in. Obviously, when you purchase it, they're going to talk about how to install it and all that stuff, you know, on the box and in the instructions. And you're going to want to do that in a warmer climate than 4 degrees below zero. So once you affix this bracket to the bottom of your mailbox, then you can put this on top of there. And once you put your mailbox down, you can screw it, you know, into your 4x4. If you're like me, I have a little sign that runs along the edge of there that has my address on it. So I'll fix that to the outside of there. There's 2 different kinds of screws that come inside the package. There's 4 nuts and 4 regular screws, and then there's wood screws. These wood screws, you can just use a drill and push through. You probably don't have to drill a hole or anything like that, because once it's sitting on there, you just push them through. Don't over torque them, because it'll just strip out the hole that you made. So once it starts to go in, just let loose of your drill if you're using a drill. If you're using a screwdriver, you need to drill a hole, so you might as well just use like a cordless drill. These 4 fine threaded screws are going to fix the bottom plate to the actual bottom of the mailbox. If you've never installed one before, this is pretty standard design. This is how you generally affix this to the bottom of there. I don't know if there's anything I'm leaving out. I think this thing was made in America, so that's always good, you know. I mean, it's 50 bucks. Looks like they had to make a couple different molds to make this stuff, so, you know, and that's expensive. I'm sure at this point it's paying for itself at the factory where they plastic injection mold these things. But anyways, seems to be okay construction, should work. Looks presentable. It's definitely paintable, I'm sure, so you could paint it to match your house if you like, things like that. So hopefully this video is helpful. Remember, can't, never could. And subscribe to my page. Like me on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. And if you ever need service for your car, you can call me. Sometimes I can get it in, sometimes I can't. Generally pretty busy, but I like making these videos for folks. So God bless. Have a great day.